In this video, we're going to take a look at the DiLytics Human Resource Insight solution for Microsoft Power BI. But first, what is this solution? Human Resource Insight is a deployable solution containing prepackaged business metrics, attributes, reports, dashboards, and more. With these assets, HR departments, directors, and VPs can quickly make informed decisions related to managing human resources. This application comes with pre-built data objects from source systems, as well as pre-integrated data loads from EBS, PeopleSoft, and/or JDE. Above all else, this solution is able to go live in weeks. The diagram on this slide captures the architecture and data flow for this solution. With Human Resource Insight, users are able to analyze pay versus performance, employee turnover, recruitment and headcount, as well as payroll and deductions. They're also able to get insight into employee absenteeism, time and labor. Finally, users are able to get visibility into employee demographics, compensation, and top performers. Now, let's take a look at the solution on Power BI. The first section for the HR Insight solution is headcount. In this overview, we get to see rundowns on the top 10 organizations and age ranges based on employee headcounts. Both of these reports are presented in a tabular and graphical form to offer as much detail as users want. Other pages available in the headcount section cover staffing, demographics, workforce profile, and headcount trends. The next section is absence. Reports available on this page include top 5 departments and locations by number of days absent, as well as an absence breakdown by absence type and absence headcount by month and year. We've even got absence KPIs, like the total number of days people have been absent and the employee absence percentage. Finally, we can also track days absent over time by whether the absence is notified or unnotified. Other pages available on this section include pages for absence profile, trends, and details. Users also get access to the payroll section. Reports featured on the payroll overview include payroll monitoring KPIs like gross pay, total earnings, overtime pay, and total taxes. These KPI stats are also presented in the column chart in the bottom right corner of the page, and the bottom left corner contains a payroll breakdown by department. The payroll section also features pages tracking payroll trend and cost, as well as overtime spending. The next section is compensation. On the overview page, we have reports tracking salary trends over 3 years, along with a salary breakdown by department, with a table showing the year-over-year numbers for salary and headcount stats for departments. The compensation section also features pages covering salary compression, as well as compensation grades and details. The fifth section is recruitment, and this section has tons of insight in its overview. Here we can see KPI trackers supplying overviews for requisitions, applications, and hiring. The requisitions overview tracks requisitions requested, canceled, opened, and more. The applications overview tracks applications at each stage of the hiring process, as well as those terminated. And the hiring overview tracks offers accepted, extended, rejected, and more. As for other pages in this section, we have pages dedicated to each of the overviews just discussed, as well as a page for the recruitment cycle. The final section featured in our HR Insight solution covers time and labor. The summary page here tracks time card counts by status, as well as time card counts by location and organization. Users also gain access to other time and labor pages for time card monitoring, tracking process time, and time trends. We hope you found this introduction to the HR Insight solution interesting and engaging. Please contact us if you want to learn more about the solution. We'd be more than happy to do a complimentary demo.